Hey, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. In this video, you're going to see me demonstrate my wash day using my own DIY products, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm going to, in this video, show you what I'm doing to use my things that I created to do my wash day. It's Sunday and I'm not gonna go out till later. And so I'm gonna start with my conditioner, my rice conditioner. I'm going to put it on my scalp and let it sit in for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then I'm gonna wash my hair with my black soap shampoo. And then I'm gonna let my hair air dry. And then I will put on that hair rinse that I made. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I have left this thing in for over an hour. So see how the longer you leave it in, the more it absorbs into your hair. So it's been over an hour since I left the product in, and now I'm going to use my black soap shampoo, and this is that avocado banana conditioner I'm going to use directly after it. So I'll be back once I've washed my hair. Okay, I'll be back once I wash my hair. All right, I am back. I had just washed my hair and I used my handy dandy Turby Twist towel. It's a microfiber towel. I'm not sure where I got this, probably Walmart or Target. And what it does is it soaks up all the excess water. So let's look and see how well it did in cleaning my scalp. I think it did a pretty good job. I have a few little flakes, but we'll clean that up when we dry our hair. And I feel personally, for me, I wash my hair once a week. If I can't wash it once a week, I wash it once every other week because I sweat. I sweat a lot, and so in my head and all that, so I feel like I need to put some water on my locks. Now, with that being said, how I go about washing my locks, I don't wash them 2 and 3 times. I wash them once, and then sometimes I condition, sometimes not. This time I did condition with that avocado and banana conditioner that I made. Check that out in the info card. I'm going to attach that to this video once it is completed. And I used the black soap shampoo, which I made using black soap that I did purchase. I didn't make the black soap myself. And I just followed a recipe that I came up with. I took somebody else's recipe and adjusted it to my liking. So that's what I did. And so now this is it after it's been washed. And so what I suggest when you're in the shower, if you're taking a shower at the same time, I would start off by wetting my hair. So I started off by wetting my hair and getting all that pre-poo conditioner, rice conditioner out of my hair first. That's what I did first. So before I even start to attempt to wash my hair, I rinse out the conditioner first. Then I put in my shampoo. And I am pretty heavy-handed with all the products that I use. That's why I insist on not using heavy products, because I don't want it to stay in my hair. So then when I rinse that out, then I apply the shampoo in sections like this. I start first, get it a lather. And by that time, my hair is wet and it will produce a lather. If you're just starting from scratch with not having a pre-poo, your hair is not wet, and so it may take longer to get a lather, and therefore you want to wash your hair twice. But for me, my hair is already wet, and when I'm rinsing out the conditioner, now I apply my shampoo. Rinse it out with my hair going back, and I rinse it out with my hair going forward, and I do that a few times to make sure that whatever product is in there is fully rinsed out. Then I'm going to put this back in the Turby Twist. Hold on. So once I do that, I then wash my body, and then my last step is to put my conditioner on. And thoroughly rinse that. So I might take a few more minutes to take do some self-care, like work on my feet, scrub my toes, shave, work on, some facial things or whatever. And then by the time that's all rinsed out, then I'm done. So that's what we are now. What I'm gonna do is let this towel soak up all my excess water, and then I switch to another towel. So I use 2. This is my other like Turby Twist type deal. This one's called Studio Dry, and it's another microfiber type towel. So I will put this, once this gets fully saturated, I will put this on, let this soak up some water, and then I just let my hair air dry. Okay, I've put my other microfiber towel on, Hey guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like the content, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll be able to provide you with quality videos every week. And you'll hit the notification bell, of course, so that you'll know when I'm sending those videos. Also, if you like to see more of our shenanigans and tomfoolery, you can look on YouTube. I mean, I'm already on YouTube. Hello, already on YouTube. But what I mean is, you go to Instagram under TheWookie Natural and my Facebook group at TheWookie Natural. Okay, until next time.